Hello friends and fans, welcome to A Gato Getaway. If this is your first time here, I'm Lena. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a unboxing slash, I guess, try on cord with me style video. I just yesterday literally filmed my Closet Child unboxing, the most recent one, although I do have another one coming up. I don't know if I'll record the unboxing for that. And yesterday I also received a package from Sweet Mildred. I didn't open it because I knew what was in here, and with Closet Child orders it's always a little bit of a mystery. I can't ever remember all the things I buy because I just add to cart, and it's secondhand sales with Closet Child, and if you wait to buy them you may miss them, and it's just scatter crazy. Always gotta go, gotta grab, gotta get it. Anyway, so today we're not talking about Closet Child. This package here is not a purchase from Sweet Mildred per se. I am a member of her Patreon and I absolutely adore it. They have a couple of different tiers. I think you can just do a base level support, or you can sign up for a level where you receive an item in the mail every month. Now, because Sweet Mildred has been so busy with all of their open orders that they've been getting coming in, with people sending them messages for customs, they have been a little bit behind. They're hoping to get caught up by the end of this month for open orders and Patreon stuff. I have in this box the last 2-month Patreon orders. I believe it's September and August, because she does it kind of like you receive your Patreon reward from September and October, and so on and so forth. So I'll receive my October Patreon reward in November. So for the August, I know for the September one, she's doing a bat beret, which is so freaking cute. She offered 3 different colors and some level of customization. All of this stuff always has some kind of customization available. So for the one I got in August, I did ask her to customize it. I think it was originally a very country Lolita cottagecore style boater hat that had fruit on it, but I just got the strawberry dress, but I don't have a ton of fruit prints in my closet. I have a lot of pastel florals though, and I wanted something that would both go with the meta florals I have and my Chiropteran garden skirt that I have from Jordana. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this. Nice crinkly plastic. Yes. So they're both the 2 items here. She shipped it in the box because to protect the hat. Look at how cute this is. She actually did a really good job of matching the flowers that are on the hat to the kind of flowers that are on the Moss Badger skirt, which I'm really excited about. It's got, you can kind of see there's an alligator clip here, and then it's got lace ribbons to tie it on. I'm gonna these loud plastic bags get me every time. Okay, so here it is out of the plastic. It's got a soft pink ribbon. I think you could customize what color ribbon you wanted. She does make similar hats for her store regularly, so if you're not a member of the Patreon, you can still buy them, but the Patreon is an extremely good discount. I do think that they cap how many people can sign up for the Patreon tiers, so it's something to keep an eye on. But also, if you wanted to just get a similar hat, you can send her a message, and Millie is always really great about doing customs and trying to make sure people have what they want. So this is so adorable. This is so cute. And it's got little elastic loops for how those attach. That is great. So on my head like that. I think what I'm going to do for these is once I open up the other beret, I just want to show you guys the details, I'm going to throw together a couple of quick coordinates with both of the pieces. So this is the hat that was the August Patreon reward. I have gotten so many. I don't even remember how many months I've been signed up for Patreon. I think I've been 5 or 6 at this point, and it's so worth it. Okay, so her berets are adjustable. There's a little string on there so you can tighten it or loosen it. And this is the bat design for September. This lace applique is so beautiful, and it looks like it was machine stitched, but you can't really even see the stitches because she did such a good job of tacking them down. Like these little bits right here aren't tacked down, which I could fix if I really wanted to with just a needle. Looks like the star buttons are glued on though, which is, it's fine. You know, when you're doing a bunch of things at once, the ribbon I think is also glued on. But I don't really wash my braids, so it's not going to be a huge problem, and at least if they do pop off because it gets hot, I can reattach them. And there is a hole at the top and the bottom if I just wanted to do a real quick stitch to secure it in place. But she got this to me so fast. I think she only announced the braids maybe a week ago, and it showed up. Basically, she announced it, mailed mine out a day or two later, and I don't know if I get special treatment because we're friends, but I don't think so. And I'm really excited. Okay, so this is the bat beret. I'm gonna do, because it's Halloween, I'm gonna do two kind of spooky outfits with these. So I'm gonna use Pateron Garden for this piece, I think, and then I'm gonna do a more spooky, cute, pastel goth, creepy, cute kind of thing with the beret. I was like, I don't know the names of all these styles, I just wear cute clothes. So I'm gonna go change into my first outfit, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so that's what I got. I should mention this is not a sponsored video at all. I do know the owner of Sweet Mildred and we're friends, but I choose to support them out of just my own choice, and I pay for all the products that I get. I am, like I said, a member of their Patreon, and I highly recommend joining their Patreon. I want to say that the big accessory tier is only $30–35 a month. That includes shipping of the item to you if you're in the US. I think if it's international, it's a different tier. She also has an earring club, which I haven't joined or experienced, but I hope that you guys will check Sweet Mildred out. Even if you don't join their Patreon, they do have Instagram and an Etsy store is currently closed on vacation, but I'll leave links to both in the guide below. Their work is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to have these new pieces. I'm gonna wear this one for the rest of the month. There's not a whole lot of October left, but I'm definitely going to figure out as many ways as I can to work this into my outfits. I got enough bat themed dresses that I think I can figure a few things out to work it into my everyday everything. Out of the two outfits, I love them both for different things. I try to dress this up as a more casual, like cool, creepy goth Lolita thing. I think I mentioned that's what I was trying to do. I tend to wear this Moss Badger dress very casually because it is just so heckin' cute, and I am still waiting for the official release of this to happen. The one I'm wearing is a fashion show sample. So keep an eye on Moss Badger for this dress if you're interested in that. The other skirt I was wearing was also Moss Badger, kind of coincidence that they ended up being both. I did, when I ordered the other hat, request that it be versatile enough to wear with my meta dresses and with the Carthagian Garden, which I probably already mentioned, but it doesn't hurt to reiterate, I suppose. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about what it's like supporting indie designers on Patreon, I am supporting a few of them. Feel free to ask me any comments down below. I also have my own Patreon for my shop where I do a sticker of the month club. I'll leave a link for that down below if anybody is interested. I am also running behind on my October rewards, so those will ship out in November with the November reward. And yeah, check that out. I'll leave my Instagram and stuff down below as well. So with that, thank you all so much for watching. If you made it here to the end, thank you. I appreciate every one of you. And whether it is morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.